Stop throwing away money and discover the secrets to filing a stress-free tax return now. Hey, feeling stressed about tax season? You're not alone. Filing tax returns can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, I'm breaking down tax returns into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Plus, I'll share tips to help you file accurately and maximize your deductions. Stick around, and let's make tax season stress-free. If you haven't already checked out our video on accounting and bookkeeping basics for success, we invite you to watch it. Here it appears above, to build a strong foundation for managing your finances. Like, subscribe and activate the bell button. Okay, let's get started now. Let's start with the basics. What even is a tax return? A tax return is a document you file with the IRS to report your income, claim deductions, and determine how much tax you owe or get refunded. It's your financial snapshot for the year, and getting it right is key to staying on the IRS's good side. The secret to smooth tax filing? Preparation. Here's what you need. 1. Gather your documents. W-2S, 1099-S, receipts and investment statements. Keep everything organized. 2. Know your deductions. Home office, student loans, medical expenses. Don't miss out on what you're eligible for. 3. Choose your filing status. Whether you're single, married, or head of household, your status matters. 4. Pick the right tools. Use software like TurboTax or consult a tax professional if your finances are complex. Once you're prepped, it's time to file. Here's how. 1. Online filing. Tools like TurboTax or H&R Block make it quick and easy. 2. Paper filing. Still an option but slower and less convenient. 3. Hire a pro. If your taxes are complicated, a CPA can save you time and money. Pro tip: file early to avoid last-minute stress and potential penalties. Plus, early filers tend to get refunds faster. Don't let simple mistakes cost you money. Here are some common errors. 1. Wrong numbers. Double-check your social security number and income figures. 2. Missed deductions. Don't leave money on the table by overlooking eligible deductions. 3. Late filing. Avoid penalties by filing on time or request an extension if you need it. Want to get the most out of your refund? Here's how. 1. Claim all credits. Look into education credits, child tax credits, and energy-efficient home improvements. 2. Adjust withholding. If you got a big refund, consider adjusting your W-4 to keep more money throughout the year. 3. Plan ahead. Use this year's return as a learning tool to prepare better for next year. And there you have it, everything you need to know to master your tax returns and take the stress out of tax season. Remember, preparation is key, and knowing your options can save you time and money. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like button, subscribe to Skillmaster, and activate the bell button so you never miss out on our latest tips and tutorials. And before you go, don't forget to check out the video on how to create a budget planner, popping up right here on the end screen. It's the perfect next step to take control of your finances. Catch you in the next one.